Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews.
Hi guys, gonna check out the Top Race Sky Eagle TRC 385 after about a year or longer. Here we go. Thanks for watching. It's flying. It's pretty breezy out here. Wow, look at it go. Still does stunts. Got behind the tree there, lost my sight. Flies good. Little rudder action. Rudder works nice. Keeps the plane nice and level as it turns. A little rudder and aileron action there. Helps you turn on a dime. I like to bank and yank myself, but if I really need to, you can get that rudder included and you can really bank and yank that. Alright, let's try a roll. No? Oh, I bet I got it next level. There we go. I had it in beginner mode. It won't let you roll in beginner mode. You can do loops, but not rolls. Alright, here comes a roll. Yeah. Very cool. I really like this plane. This is one of my favorite little park flyers. 4-channel, has all of your functions: motor, ailerons, elevator, rudder. You can even take off and land if you'd like, if you have a good runway. Or you can just land it in the grass, or catch it if you're talented enough. Alright, well, I'm satisfied. Still going strong. One more loop. Oh, that bird wanting to fly with me. Whoa, bird. I'd have felt bad if I'd hit that bird. I think it's small enough it probably wouldn't hurt it. Super lightweight these are. It's impressive that they'll fly in the wind like this. It's just the aerodynamics and all of the control surfaces. Just how it all works. Really neat. Alright. A couple more circuits and I'm going to bring it in for a landing. This does have a 3D mode. Alright, here we go. We're going to bring it in for landing. That was light enough. There you have it, guys. The Top Race TRC 385. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Peace.